What does the neighbor think when he sees this? Probably this must have cost at least 100,000 euros. Wrong! These are 5 garden projects that look incredibly expensive, but were built for a fraction of the price. At number 5, this sleek garden office transforms a simple paved backyard into a sophisticated outdoor retreat. Floor-to-ceiling glazing, warm timber cladding, and integrated LED lighting give the structure a refined architectural presence. By combining prefabricated construction with locally sourced materials, the builders achieved a premium finish while keeping labor costs remarkably efficient. At number 4, this contemporary outdoor lounge transforms a simple foundation into a luxury entertaining space. A cantilevered roof, warm timber soffits, and concealed LED lighting create a clean architectural profile that feels both elegant and inviting. The efficient structural design delivers a bespoke appearance while reducing both construction time and overall costs. At number 3, this elegant garden pavilion transforms a bare concrete slab into a warm outdoor retreat. Exposed timber beams, rich wood cladding, and integrated wall lighting create a timeless design that feels equally impressive during the day and after sunset. Using locally sourced timber helped achieve a premium finish without exceeding the budget. Taking the runner-up spot, this traditional garden lodge blends classic craftsmanship with modern outdoor living. A pitched roof, exposed timber columns, and an open veranda create a welcoming space designed for year-round comfort. Standard roofing materials and a practical timber frame structure delivered a custom-built appearance while keeping construction costs under control. Taking the number 1 spot, this remarkable garden retreat transforms a simple concrete foundation into a luxurious extension of the home. Full-height glazing, exposed timber beams, warm cedar cladding, and layered lighting create a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor living. A straightforward timber frame structure combined with locally sourced materials achieved a bespoke architectural finish at a fraction of the expected cost. Luxury outdoor living isn't defined by budget, it's defined by thoughtful design. Which build was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring garden transformations. Thanks for watching.